Hello, Charles William Amir Mansour here, Scientist and Global Business Development Manager for Agilent Technologies. I'm excited to share with you a detailed walkthrough of our 5th generation microplate washer, the Agilent BioTek 405 TS. This video is designed to provide insight for those interested in incorporating 405 TS liquid handling technology into their laboratory workflows. Many laboratories have microplate-based workflows that require plate washing steps. The 405 TS washer offers unique benefits for effective, efficient washing for ELISA, cell-based assays, microsphere-based assays, and many other protocols. The 405 TS washer is a compact instrument offering fast, full plate washing with a proprietary dual action manifold that offers an optimized approach for biochemical and cell-based assays in 96 and 384 well microplates. Biomagnetic and vacuum filtration protocols are also easily performed with the 405 TS. With manifolds available in 96 and 192 tube configurations and a quick change design, a user can easily configure the 405 TS washer with the manifold of choice. When faster 384 well washing is required, the user can exchange the 96 tube manifold for a 192 tube configuration. A specialized manifold is available for specific 405 TS models. This manifold is configured with straight dispense tubes optimized for biochemical ELISA-based assay workflows. The dual action manifold provides individual aspirate and dispense tube Z-axis positioning, plus features including angled dispense tubes, highly adjustable aspiration and dispense rates, and X and Y axis positioning. This ensures the integrity of cell monolayers during dispensing and wash procedures. The 405 TS washer has an internal bifurcated fluid path with large and small diameter tubing, resulting in different flow rates of assay wash buffer. This provides optimized conditions for either ELISA or cell wash procedures. For example, high flow rates are used for ELISA-based protocols, and for cell-based assays, extremely low cell wash flow rates are delivered through a restricted small diameter fluid path. This allows for accurate dispense and gentle flow rates to mitigate the risk of dislodging loosely adherent cells and potential cell loss during aspiration. To perform biomagnetic bead-based assays, the 405 TS can be equipped with 96 or 384 well ring or flat magnet accessories to immobilize the beads during wash procedures to avoid bead loss. For assay workflows where polystyrene beads are used, an available vacuum filtration module is used to immobilize the assay beads during the wash procedures. Clogged dispense and aspirate tubes can lead to faulty washing and potential assay failure. The built-in Ultrasonic Advantage feature automatically cleans buildup in the manifold tubes by sonication before a wash procedure or at a scheduled interval. And so, Ultrasonic Advantage helps ensure error-free plate washing every time. The automated Verify technology option detects manifold tube blockages by using an ultrasonic probe to check dispense and aspirate performance. This convenient self-testing function eliminates tedious manual clog detection procedures. Test results are automatically displayed and visually indicate tubes that may require additional cleaning. This is the perfect option to automate instrument maintenance and verification. The technological innovation incorporated in the 405 TS washer translates to a broad array of applications across the fields of cancer, cardiovascular, respiratory, and immunology research, including colorimetric, fluorimetric, and luminometric methods. Multiplex assays, such as Mesoscale Discovery's Plex assays, require effective washing and are easily accomplished with the 405 TS washer. ELISpot assays, in which cell secretions are made visible via colorimetric reactions, require several wash steps. These are efficiently performed with the 405 TS. The assay can then be imaged with the Agilent BioTek Citation 7 cell imaging multimode reader. For cell-based workflows, gentle washing minimizes disruption, keeping the cell monolayers intact for superior image capture or multimode detection. For gene expression or cytokine assays, the flat or ring-style magnet plates optimize bead retention during washing, and the vacuum filtration system enables efficient filtration to waste processes. And for automated ELISA plate coating and manufacturing processes, the adjustable X, Y, and Z manifold tube positioning allows precise control of fluid levels in 96 or 384 well microplates. The 405 TS can be configured with automated internal four-way buffer switching. Buffer switching offers 4 key advantages. First, it allows the instrument to auto-select different supply reagents to enable more complex workflows. Second, it makes the instrument more functional for multi-user environments because there's no need to manually exchange supply bottles to support different workflows. Also, buffer switching increases the total capacity of the system for extended autonomous operation. And finally, this feature enables improved washer maintenance by ensuring that a cleaning reagent is always available for flushing the system during or at the end of a protocol. An available direct-to-drain waste system eliminates the need to empty waste bottles, and so the waste is removed directly to a drain. This is especially convenient for high-throughput wash operations. For simple and intuitive protocol creation, the 405 TS offers an onboard touchscreen user interface. A new wash protocol can be programmed in just a few minutes from the integrated touchscreen. From the home screen, press Define, then Create, and give your protocol a unique ID. Select the appropriate plate type and press Add to sequentially insert steps in the order of execution. Typically, the default parameter values work fine, with little to no customization required. When finished, press Save. Use the test run command to immediately test your new protocol. Once you're ready to run a protocol, simply load your plate onto the plate carrier, and from the home screen of the touchscreen interface, select the protocol of interest and press Run. It couldn't be simpler. For those who prefer the advantages of running instruments via computer control, the 405 TS can be controlled with the optional Agilent BioTek liquid handling control software. For walkaway automation, the 405 TS system can be easily integrated with the Agilent BioStack microplate stacker for up to 50 plates. The BioSpar 8 automated incubator, compatible for assay automation. The bench cell microplate handler, compatible to automate multi-instrument applications, and other third-party automation to increase assay throughput, including systems that require SILA compliance. Thank you for taking the time to learn about the gold standard in microplate washing. the Agilent BioTek 405 TS.